This section here on our prescription form is talking about this next little area in here, the Varus Valgus forefoot position correction. Two parts to this. You can either tell the lab that you want to change the position of your scan or cast according to where you've captured the foot. So look at the foot, similar to the calcaneal position correction on the left and right. Look at what position you've captured the foot, and then adjust the forefoot position in relation to the rear foot. Again, so if on the left I find that I've got too many degrees on, I can take 5 degrees off. Or if I want to add some because I've planograded the first ray or the first forefoot, I can add 5 to it. You won't be able to do this unless you're in the electronic section of our submission pathway, but you can look at this video when you're filling out the forms with a old school pen and paper, and you'll be able to put in those measures there. The next section here is just a simple but same way of saying, well, with these two sections here, calcaneal position left, Varus and Valgus forefoot position, you can tell the lab that you want to balance something to something else. Okay, so I may want to balance the rear foot at a certain amount of degrees, traditionally 0, okay, but you may have captured something different, or at an inverted level, okay, so rear foot at inverted level, and then to the forefoot, this will automatically come to the forefoot at whatever degrees, okay, and inverted or everted. And so you can see there that you can either do these two here, change the position, or balance rear foot to forefoot. Again, it's typically more often balance the forefoot to what the rear foot position is at the can't do that one, at the point in space that it is. Forefoot, get it right there, Rosla. There we go. Okay, so you may want to change the forefoot to come back down maybe 3 degrees inverted to the rear foot position at 0. Okay, hope that's clear. See you again soon.